Okay, so some of you already saw my other videos on growing raspberry plants. This isn't a raspberry plant, obviously, but you can see what I'm doing here. This is a harsh, semi-desert, arid climate. And what you have here is a full-blown garden growing in harsh heat, poor soil, and poor access to water. What I've done is I've created a anti-heat hedge. So it's an organization where you group the plants to help them to avoid the heat. And you do this by clustering them together. You have to concentrate the fertilizer a little bit to do this. And then what you do is you try and get them to grow and spread out as much as you can before the heat of the season hits. That's the key. You have to hit it and get as much growth before you get the 3-digit temperatures or even the 90-degree temperatures. Now what you've also got to do, it's a little bit hard to see it here, but now if I turn this, you see I've got wood scrap around the bases. Doesn't matter what you use. The wood scrap helps it to keep the heat away from the roots. Now you can grow stuff in harsh climates, but what you can't do is have the roots get hot. You can protect the roots from getting hot with wood chips, wood scrap, grass, or basically anything. Then you can grow stuff in really harsh climates, and this opens up a lot of interesting ideas for people who want to grow their own food, or if they just want to learn how to garden or grow flowers. But you have to kind of cluster them this way. Now these are a mix. There's some squash plants in there. There's also some tomatoes, and there's cucumbers also by the edge over there, and pumpkins. Pumpkins grow very well in poor soil. Tomatoes can if you fertilize them, but they do need fertilizer. Cucumbers need another plant to heat shield. But anyway, this is to give you guys some ideas that you don't need perfect land to grow stuff. You do need access to water, and when you have these high heat areas where you're trying to grow in, you do need to water more than once a day, and that's part of the key to it. Anyway, that's all I've got for now. I'm going to show some raspberry plants later. Thanks.